Does the craving for something sweet ever hit, but you don't want to turn on the oven? You don't need a massive cake, but you just want a little something sweet? Well, I have the perfect fix for you. Let's put those cake mixes to use with a mug in our microwave. What is up, you guys? It is Carly here, and you are officially cooking with Carly. Today, I am going to teach you a life-changing dessert hack, okay? We're talking making yourself a little personalized cake with your cake mixes in a mug in your microwave. Seriously, you are just like 2 minutes away from a perfectly warm, fluffy cake. I'm obviously very excited about it. And this will work with any kind of cake mix. I've got yellow cake mix here, chocolate cake mix, and here's some funfetti cake mix, which has already been put to use for some mug cakes, obviously, since it is now in a bag. So you need cake mix and you need water. That's right, 2 ingredients, that's it. The thing you need to think about is the ratio between cake mix and water. That's really as hard as it gets. We need 6 tablespoons of cake mix to 4 tablespoons of water. We'll whisk it together till it's nice and mixed in our mugs here. I'm just gonna use a little fork to do that, and then it's tossed in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. There's 6 tablespoons worth of our cake mix in the mug, and now 4 tablespoons of water is being added to our mug. 3 and 4. Let's quickly whisk this together till it's nice and mixed. Let's repeat those steps with our other 2 flavors, and then we'll get to microwaving. While I'm whisking these together, do me a favor and go hit that like button and the subscribe notification bell. You know the drill. And let me know what flavor of cake you are excited to make in your microwave down in those comments. Let's talk about adding things into our mug cakes, because why not? So like chocolate chips into your chocolate cake, or even into your yellow cake mix. Chocolate chips would be so good. And I always mix in extra sprinkles with my funfetti cake mixes in my mug, because sprinkles, they just make life better. I'm a firm believer in that. So if you're wanting to mix in anything, do it now, fold it in. Actually, oh wow, peanut butter chips on this chocolate cake would be really good. Okay, I think I'm gonna add some things to this. This is fun, this is exciting. Woo! This is what I've decided. Extra sprinkles into my funfetti, obviously. We're going to do chocolate chips into the yellow cake mix. Whoa. And white chocolate chips into the chocolate cake mix. That was a lot. It's fine. Just gonna mix these up really fast. Let's cook these for 1.5 minutes in the microwave, and these are all going in separately. So 1.5 minutes each. 1 done. 2 to go. The mug will be very hot when you pull it out of that microwave, so just be careful. I mean, it's not much to look at. But you got a cake here. Got yourself a little chocolate cake. Just finished up cooking our last mug cake. It's seriously so easy. Like the best trick to have in your back pocket for movie night, for, I don't know, soaking in the bathtub. I won't judge. I won't judge. It smells good even in here. You won't even know that you just made this in the microwave, and it's just for yourself. Next time your sweet tooth hits and you need a little something sweet, make these mug cakes. It takes no time at all. You don't have to turn on the oven, and you'll be sitting on your couch in no time with a mug cake for you to enjoy. Now my favorite part. I'm going to start with I think I'm most excited about the chocolate, so we're gonna go this way. Eat the chocolate last. Okay, funfetti. Look how fluffy it is. Seriously, like, it's magic. Tastes just like funfetti. That's good. That is so good. Back in the day, when I had an easy bake oven, I always went for the yellow cake with chocolate frosting. It's true, I did. Okay, now the one I've been looking forward to the most. Chocolate cake with white chocolate chips. Okay, come on now. I just want a massive bite. It's so fluffy. Okay, close your eyes. Chocolate cake is the best. It's the best kind of cake. That tastes exactly the same as if I were to bake that in the oven.